This video explains how to operate network setting of the HVS-490 video switcher. First, look at the rear of the HVS-490 unit. The product is labeled HVS-OU EXT. In the menu, HVS-OU is labeled LAN 1 and EXT is labeled LAN 2. The EXT LAN port is the LAN port used for connection to a PC or an auxiliary panel. Use this port for TSL communication and VDCP connections. The HVS-OU LAN port is used to connect to a control panel. Today, we are using the 2ME control panel HVS-490 Connect to the HVS LAN on the back of the control panel. For multiple or remote connections, connect via a switching hub. Set the IP address of the main unit. On the menu bar at the top of the touchscreen, select Setup, System, Network. Change the value for LAN IP address on the left-handed side at the bottom of the touch panel. Press in the F1 knob at the bottom of the touchscreen. Set the IP address from the window displayed on the touch panel. When you have completed the entry, a message will appear asking you to restart the MU. Press Yes. After a short time, the connection between the MU and the OU will automatically be disconnected. The next step is to set up the IP address of the OU. Go to Panel, Network, Network. Change the value of IP address in the bottom left-hand corner of the touchscreen using the same procedure as before. A message will appear asking if you want to restart the OU. Press Yes. The OU will then restart automatically. The next step is to check the connection. If the MU and OU are not connected, disconnected is displayed in red at the top right of the touchscreen. Now connect the MU and OU. Go to Panel, Network, Network. Check the IP address, making sure that all but the fourth octet of the MU and OU have the same value. Press the page down button to go to page 2. On the left side of page 2, set Control MU Model to HVS-490. Enter the IP address of the MU to be connected in Control MU IP addresses. If the correct value is entered, the MU and OU will be connected. When the connection is established, Connected is displayed in the upper right-hand corner of the touchscreen. Open the Windows settings. Open Network and Internet. Open Change Adapter Options. Right-click Ethernet and open Properties. Open Internet Protocol version 4. Check Use the following IP address and enter the IP address. Start your browser and enter the IP address of LAN 2 in the address bar. When the login screen appears, enter your user ID and password. The connection is complete when the indicator in the top right-hand corner of the GUI control panel lights up green.